Under decimals, we are talking today, this really is not going to be any earth-shattering or shocking news for all of you. It's how to deal with decimals and whole numbers. Decimals and whole numbers. For example, if you have, let's say 4.3 plus 2. 4.3 plus 2. First of all, this is not something you do in your head. Secondly is this, every whole number you can put a decimal in. You can put a decimal in whole numbers. Where does that decimal go in a whole number? If I have the number 2, where do I put the decimal to make 2 have a decimal and not change it? Ava? Okay, always after it. In a whole number after it. Then you can always add as many zeros after that as you need. Add zeros if needed. So that means when you write this problem out, remember when we add decimals, we line up the decimals. The decimal in 2 goes at the end of it. So you need to put the whole number 2 right there, because the decimal in 2 goes there, and then feel free to put a 0 at the end of it like that. And then in your answer, that decimal goes there too. It's 6.3. Please don't put the 2 underneath the 3, because that's the tenths row. Whole numbers, tenths. Another example with subtraction might be 12.4. 12.4 minus 5. Sorry. Should look like this. Where is the decimal in the whole number 5? So when I do this as my subtracting problem, I have to line up the decimals. Where is the 5 going to go, Bryce? What number will the digit? This 5 will go under which of these digits?
2.
Under the 2, because the decimal in 5 is at the end of it. It's going to go 5. Point, and you want to add a 0 there just so that you have digits underneath all of your stuff. 0 from 5 is 5. You might have to borrow. 5 from 12 is 7. 7.5 is the answer. Let me give you one to try on your own. 8 plus 4.7 plus 12.1. 8 plus 4.7 plus 12.1. Give you a chance to do that. Add those 3 numbers together and see what you get. 8 plus 4.7 plus 12.1. Carteret, you ended up with?
24.8.
Let's check and see. So if you do it quarter, decimal at the end of 8 goes there, and then I have to line up all my decimals after that. 4.7, I can put a 0 there if I want. 12.1, 7 plus 1 is 8. The decimal stays in that line. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 2 is 14. 24.8. Stop me there if you don't catch on to that. Anybody not understanding, get the gist? Everybody's all happy, go lucky. We need not